So guys, if you've been watching this channel for some time, you know I really like my multi-locks. I work with them. So, this is an E18H, really rare lock. Don't see what that's about anymore. But that's not what we're going to pick. We are going to pick this Federal lock, and yes, you've guessed it, is the 535 EUX with a Euro, that means Euro, changeable core. Yeah, so we're going to go and have a pick. I did show you the keys. There they are. Got a stepped bitting on that. Just get this tension wrench. Right, sunken 2, 3, come back, I feel sunken 1. Oh yeah. Got my pick stuck a little bit. Tension wrench doing it again. Here we are, and we've got it open. Right. Right, let's empty the keepings after that hugely bad gutting. So that looks like, to me, that looks like a 5 to me, a 5 pin. That does. Torpedoes are normally 6, that will be a 6. Should range these a little bit better. That looks like another 5. That looks like a 4 to me. T6s. Right, so I wonder this was a little bit more tricky because they've got overset traps. These torpedoes are good overset traps here. And that looks like another 4 to me. So, anything interested in the core?